problem. Now you can see solve dy by dx plus 7x 7x minus y is equal to 0. Second equation is dy by dt plus 7x minus y is equal to 0. Then second equation is dy by dt plus 2x plus 5y is equal to 0. Now, from this what you understand, tell me sir, x is in terms of t, y is in terms of t. So for x also you have to write CF plus PI, y also you can write CF and PI. Correct or not? Or understand or not? So two equations are given. In this first you can write x in terms, first x in terms of t fully you can bring. Then solve. Then what you will do? Then y in terms of t you can bring. Clear from here? Are you able to do? Sir, okay, yeah. Say yes or no. Are you there or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, this d by dt is equal to, can I write d operator? So, because x is function of t, y is function of t. Now, d by dt is equal to, can I write operator d? Now, this equation become what? D plus 7 into x is minus y is equal to 0. This equation is what? D plus 5 into y is plus 2x is equal to 0. Are you agree? Are you agree, sir?
Yes, sir.
Now, if I write in operator shape, what I will get means what? Shape, what I will get? T plus 7 into x minus y is equal to 0. Then d plus 5 into y plus 2x is equal to 0. From this, what you're understanding, y is function of t, x is function of t. I want to bring x alone, then y alone. Then I can write y is equal to cf plus pi, x is equal to cf plus pi. Now, how can you solve? Tell me. Suppose if you want to remove the y, first equation operated not multiply by, don't tell multiply by. First equation multiply by d plus 7. So what will get? Tell d plus 5. This coefficient you can do. No. This y should be cancelled. So what you will do? First equation operated by what? D plus 5. Second, then you add both. What you will get? Tell me. First equation, this you can take. Equation 1, this you can take. Equation 2. Now, equation 1 operated by, not multiplication is different meaning, operated by d plus 5. Now equation 1 become what? Tell me. D plus 5 into d plus 7 minus d plus 5 into, sorry, this into x, sir. D plus 5 into y is equal to 0. This is what you will get as 2x, I will write here, plus d plus 5 into y is equal to 0. Now, first equation operated by d plus 5 and add to second equation plus 2. Because I want to remove either x or y. So, what you will get, tell me, sir? This fellow will cancel or not? Now, balance term is what?
D plus 5 plus D into D plus 7.
Into x plus 2x you will get or not? This 2x also
Yes,
will get.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you take x common means what I can, how can I write? D plus 5, then d plus 7 plus 2 big bracket is equal to what? Sorry, x is equal to 0. Are you agree?
Yes, sir.
Now this simplify actually. D square 7 plus 5 is 12d plus this is what? What you'll get? 30, that is 12d plus 30,
35.
35 plus 2, 37. Clear? Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
So what? Tell me.
D
Tell me.
square. D square
Ah,
plus 12D
12d
plus 37.
into x is
X.
equal to. See, this x is equal to what? Actually, this is what d is d by dt. So this is in terms of x in terms of t. Now I will solve for x. How you will solve? Tell me. Put d is equal to m. What you will get? Auxiliary equation is equal to 0. This what you will get? M square plus 12m plus 37 is equal to 0. If you solve means what you will get? Minus b plus r minus b square minus 4 is. Come on, do what is the roots? Tell me. What are the roots? Tell me. Minus b plus r minus b square 144 minus 4ac 4 into 1 into 37. 4 into 37 means what? 4 30s 120, 4 sevens 28. 120 plus 28 is what? 148. Correct?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
148 by 2a. 2 into 1. So this fellow is equal to what? Minus 12. Not yet. Sorry. Minus 12 plus or minus root of 144 minus 48 means what? Minus 4. Root minus 4 means what? 2i can I write?
Yes, sir.
By 2. So now root is what, sir? Tell me. If you cancel fully, 2 means what? Minus 6 star
I.
minus I. Are you agree? Now CF, how can you write? E to the power of minus 6 into who will come? 6. Who will come? X is function of what? X is function of what, sir?
1, sir.
Hey, x is function of 1 now. Given problem is what? Dx by dt, dy by dt. So x is what?
In function of T, sir. X.
So how you will write actually? E power minus 60, open the bracket, c1 cos 1t plus c2 sin 1t. Are you agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. Now CF is equal to what? Tell me. e power minus 60 c1 cos t plus c2 sin t. Here any pi is there, right side any function means you can think for pi. So pi is equal to what? Pi is equal to what? Sir, exam coming, sir, actually from December 6th exam. Maybe 7th you will get 0 exam. Okay. Now pi is equal to 0. Right side there is no function means. Now solution is what? X is equal to CF plus pi. So x is equal to CF is what? E power minus 60 C1 cos t plus C2 sin t. Pi is 0. So this is the x value. Still my problem is not completed. Just I have done only x value. I want to find similarly y. Copied. Want to see previous slide first from first?
Previous slide.
Previous side, huh? This before also you copied, huh? Everything? See, first given problem this d plus 7 into x is equal to this. What I am writing, I want to cancel y means what? First equation operating by d plus 5. So means what? Then adding these two. Means what? D plus 5 cancel, then balance time I am writing. Copy down this. Now there is no function in right side. So pi is equal to 0. Now for x I am solving. Like this you have to solve for y also. So simultaneous equation means what? Both you will get x in terms of t, y. So x separately you can tell the solution, y you can tell the solution. Copied, sir?
Yes.
Copied. Then how you will find x? Once if you know x, you know means how you will find means what? Go back and see the equations. What are the given equations? These the equations. How to find any easiest idea I can tell. This is first equation, this is second equation. From this one to how you will find y, tell me. Best idea is where is the y simply stands without operator. In second equation is what? Y is operating by d plus 5, headache. But first equation is what? Y standing simply or not? Are you okay or not? Sir?
Yes, sir.
So from this first equation I will write y is equal to d plus 7 into x. X already in my hand. So simultaneous equation solve means first you can solve either x or y. Once if you get the x means what? To find y, go back and see the your question where the y freely stands. From there you can find out. Suppose if I find y means what? Now here x is standing freely. To find x I will use this fellow. So but if you have a chances you can try. If you don't have means we cannot, because your chances are there. First I will see the best way, easiest way how to escape my actually take the less time I want to do. I will see. From this can I write y is equal to what from equation? Tell me equation 1. Are you understanding or not? I'm telling.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Only one student only answering. Very bad. Okay, yeah. X is equal to this. Y is equal to what? Tell me, sir, from 1.
D plus 7 into x.
Wait.
D plus 7 into
Y is equal to d plus 7 into x. But who
Sure.
is my x actually?
e power minus 60
Very good. E power minus 60
C1 cos t plus C2 sin t.
Now this is equal to what? d of this fellow plus 7 into this fellow. Correct? Huh? Now d of means what? You can operate UV method. 7 into this answer, you can tell me what is y value finally. d of means differentiate UV method. E power minus 60 means what? Minus 6 into e power minus 60 into this fellow. Then e power minus 60 into minus c1 minus c1 psi t plus c2 cos t plus 7 into this term. Tell me what is the answer. UV method. First I am doing this fellow. D of this. Then what I will get? C1 cos t plus C2 sin t. Then plus e power minus 60 into first term, if I do, what I will get? Minus C1 sin t plus C2 cos t. This is for first term I am doing d of this fellow. Then plus plus 7 into this question fully. E power minus 60 C1 cos t plus C2 sin t. Then final answer, tell me. Simplify and tell me. Left as it is actually, y is equal to fully written actually. Y is equal to, just you can see, I'm just copying from the textbook. E power minus 60. This is inside. Minus C1 sin t plus C2 cos t. Then minus 6 e power minus 60 into C1 cos t plus C2 sin t, then plus 7 e power minus 60 C1 cos t plus C2 sin t. If you want these two, you can add actually. Minus 6 plus 7, what you will get? 1 you will get. Then you will get, if you want, y is equal to, you can write e power minus 60 minus C1 cos t plus C2, sorry, not minus, minus is not. Yes, this is fully wrong. Inside term, if I differentiate means what I will get? Minus C1 sin t plus C2 cos t, then plus e power minus 60 C1 cos t plus C2 sin t. This is the y value. So don't expect always you will get my y and your y same. Suppose if I start doing y, if I find, it means what, x will get C1, C2 terms. So carefully, can always you don't get the equal values. So carefully you have to see the question actually. Copied, sir? Any problem? Want to see previous side? Just d into this fellow plus 7 into this fellow. Now one problem I will give you, try at least how you will do. I will see. Very simple problem I will give. This is very good problem, sir. Dx by dt plus 2y is equal to sine 2t. Very good problem actually. Dy by dt minus 2x is equal to cos 2t. Then how you will do, tell me? First you can write in operator shape. So this how can I write actually? So x is what in terms of t, y also in terms of t. So x is equal to, I want to write CF and PI, I want to get x also in terms of CF and PI, y also. So this how can I write nicely? Dx plus 2y is equal to sine 2t. This is what? Dy minus 2x is equal to cos 2t. Now if you want to get first x, y, if you remove means what you will do? First equation operated by d, second equation multiplied by 2, subtract. Are you agree? Sir, first equation operated by d. Then what you will get? D square x 2 dy d of sine 2t. D of sine 2t is what? Tell me.
Cos 2 cos 2.
2 cos 2t. Second equation multiply by 2. So 2 dy minus 4x 2 cos 2t. Are you agree?
Yes, sir.
So automatically y will cancel. So first I will x. See how nicely here pi also will come in. Now come on. Can I write of what I am telling? Tell me. First equation what?
D sir, multiply into D, first equation.
Not multiply. First equation operated by d. Okay, yeah. Plus first equation operated by d, yeah. Wait. First equation operated by d minus 2 into second equation, sir. Correct? Then this what you will get, tell me? D square x plus 2 dy d square x plus 2 dy is equal to d of sine 2t. D of sine 2t is equal to what? 2 cos 2t. Then second equation multiply by what? 2 means what? 2 dy 2 dy minus 4x is equal to 2 cos 2t. Correct? Right or wrong? Multiply by 2, this operated by d. Then subtract. If you subtract means what? This. See, are you going? So this and this cancel. So this become what? D square x plus 4x is equal to 0. How nicely move off. So d square plus 4 into x is equal to 0. Sir, correct? Check. Suppose sometimes maybe I will do mistakes. Check. What I done is right or wrong? Check.
Yes, sir, right.
Are you there or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now by d square plus 4 into x means what? I will concentrate to find x. Correct? So I will write now d square plus 4 into, obviously pi cancel. If pi there means that also I will attack. It's not a big deal for me. So put d is equal to m. I will get auxiliary equation equal to 0. So this fellow is equal to m square plus 4 is equal to 0. This implies m is equal to plus or minus 2i. So CF is equal to what, sir? C1 cos 2x plus C2 sin 2x. Now x is equal to what? CF plus PI. Here PI is equal to 0 because PI is equal to 0. There is no function in right side. So this is equal to what? C1 cos 2x plus C2 sin 2x. X is equal to what? C1 cos 2x plus C2 sin 2x. So I got x. So to find y, what you will do? Tell me which fellow you will take, better option. Which equation you will take? First equation or second equation? Y is first equation or second equation?
First equation.
So where is the simple y you can see? So how can you write 2y is equal to, how can you write sin 2t minus dx by dt? Are you agree? 2y is equal to sin 2t minus dx by dt. Y is equal to 1 by 2. Come on, tell me what is y value. Help me. Now tell me from first equation, from 1, y is equal to what? Tell me, sir. 1 by 2 sin 2t minus who will come? Dx, sir. Tell me, sir.
Dx.
Yes, sir. Dx by dt.
Dx, there is operator I am writing. Now of sin 2t minus d of who is x?
C1 cos
C1
2t
cos
Plus c2 sin
sin.
2t. So is equal to 1 by 2 sin 2t minus 1 by 2 d of c1 cos 2t means what? Minus 2 sin 2t plus c1 is there, sorry, c1 is there, 2c2 cos 2t, correct? So this answer is what? Half sin 2t. Everywhere 2 will cancel, this minus minus become plus, plus c1 sin 2t minus c2 cos 2t. This is equal to what? Y. Correct? Any doubt? Sir, once if we get the y value means what? Finally can write x is equal to this, y is equal to this, you have to write. It's half sin 2t c1. Now finally can write x is equal to c1 cos 2t plus c2 sin 2t. Now y is equal to what? Half sin 2t minus c1 sin 2t plus c2 cos 2t. These are the solutions. So I got x and y separately. Any doubt? Sir, any doubt, sir?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Then shall I stop screening? Can I take attendance now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Copy down or you want to copy down? See, if you want, you can copy down. I will keep here. Now, first number is what? 71, huh?
Yes, sir. 71 present, sir.
72,
Present, sir.
73, 73 absent, 74,
Present, sir.
75,
Present, sir.
76, not there, I think so. 77,
Present, sir.
78,
Present, sir.
79, 80,
Present,
79
sir.
there, 80,
Present, sir.
81, absent, 82, absent, 83,
83 present, sir.
84, absent, 85,
Sir,
Present, sir.
73 present, sir. I am out of station. No signal here, sir.
but attending class, huh? Already we are all
Yes,
in
sir.
outer station only, attending class. Now where I am standing, sir?
85 present, sir.
Very good. 86, not there, I think so. 87, 87 also left, I think so. 88, 89,
Sir, 82 is also present, sir.
82 present. 89, 90,
90 present, sir.
91, 92, 92 present. 93,
Present, sir.
94, 95,
Present, sir.
96,
Present, sir.
97, absent, 98, absent, 99,
Present, sir.
100.
Present, sir.
Sir, what you have done, sir, exam, already given extra chances. At least you should read and write, Huh? Only one page you uploaded. That too image, I think so. Just try to find out up to upload actually files. Because cycle test, if you lose means what whole thing will collapse. 15 marks, cycle test 2. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Don't waste the marks, sir. Try actually.
Yes, sir.
And otherwise, all of you can download Adobe Scanner or CS Scanner. Then while scanning only, it will ask actually save as a PDF like the single file. That is better always. Cycle test also you have a lot of things upload. Don't miss actually, correct? Don't lose marks. Or internal marks are very, very important. Where I am standing?
Sir, 89 present.
What are you doing up to now?
100, sir.
Sir,
100.
network issue was there. Sorry, sir.
Network means are you attending class or not? Then you are not
Yes,
attending
sir, I
class.
was attending the class. So,
Okay. 101,
Present, sir. 98 present, sir.
102,
98 present, sir.
98,
Present, sir. 102 present, sir.
103,
Present, sir.
104,
Present, sir.
105,
Present, sir.
106,
Present, sir.
107,
Present, sir.
108,
Present, sir.
109,
Present, sir.
110, 110 absent, 111,
Present, sir.
111 present, 112,
Present, sir.
113,
The 110 present, sir.
110 present, 113,
Yes.
present, sir.
114,
Present, sir.
115,
Present, sir.
116,
Present, sir.
then 123, 123,
Present, sir.
124,
Present, sir.
25, 125, absent, 126,
Present, sir.
up to 126 only, correct? This series. Then 5401 series 1,
Present, sir.
2,
Present, sir.
3,
Present, sir.
4, absent, 5, absent.
Present, sir.
5, sir.
Yes, sir. 5.
6,
Present, sir.
7, absent, 8, absent, 9,
Present, sir.
10,
Present, sir.
11,
Present, sir.
12,
Present, sir.
13,
13
absent,
present.
14, 14, 14, absent, 15,
Present, sir.
16,
Present, sir.
17,
Present, sir.
18, absent, 19,
Present, sir.
20,
Present, sir.
21, Absent. 22,
Present, sir.
23,
Yes, sir.
24,
24 present, sir.
25,
25 present, sir. Also,
20.
123 and 125 present. They just wrote in the chat box.
26 present, sir.
123, 125.
26 present, sir.
27, 27, not there. 28, 28, absent. 29,
29 present, sir.
30, absent. 31,
Present, sir. 31.
last is 31, sir.
Yes, sir.
Memory,
Yes. 31 is last.
Okay. Okay, sir. Bye, sir. You can leave.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, prepare second
you,
session. Don't spoil actually.
Hello, sir.
Yes, tell me.
So, when will you upload the videos of the past